How to redeem Discord Nitro on Epic Games. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for epicgames.com. Once you have opened Epic Games, navigate to the store section and tap on the search bar and look for Discord Nitro offer. Add the offer to your cart and complete the checkout process to claim the offer. After claiming, you will receive a redemption code in your email or Epic Games account library. Check the promotions or games library section for the code. Now, open Discord or go to discord.com/redeem. Further, log into your Discord account and enter the redemption code you received from Epic Games and tap on the redeem button. Once redeemed, your account will be upgraded to Discord Nitro for the promotional period. So, this is how you can redeem Discord Nitro on Epic Games. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.